Hello everyone, welcome back to the Python for the Beginners series. Today in this video we are going to see about different types of operators in Python. There are different types of operators in Python. They are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operator, logical, identity and membership operators. So let's talk about one by one. So let us start with an arithmetic operator. So arithmetic operators are usually used to perform the different mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplications and division. So let's print 2 plus 3. The plus here is an arithmetic operator. If you run this file, then you will get the result as 5. You can also do it by assigning the variables. Let me say a is equals to 5, b is equals to 10. Now if I print a plus b, this will perform the addition in these two variables a and b. Now let me run this. You will get the output as 15. You can also perform the multiplication by simply writing this star operator. The star operator represents the multiplication here. Now if I run this, then you will get 50. It is also able to perform the multiplication negative integer also. If I make the b to minus 10, then it should return minus 50 and hence it is returning minus 50. Now let me remove this. Now let me divide b by a. This will perform the division operation in between these two variables. Now if I run this, then you will be getting 2.0, right? So b has a value 10. When it is divided by a, then it returns the value as 2, right? So what if I do a by b? Then it will return the value as 0.5. Okay, this is the division operator here. You can also perform the floor division in Python. So the floor division will simply round up the decimal number into its nearest whole number. If I give the a value as 7 and b value as 2, now if I give this operator, okay, the double slashes here represents the floor division. If I run this file, then you will be getting 3. The actual answer is 3.5, but this floor division will round off the decimal number into a nearest whole number. So these are the different kinds of arithmetic operators. Now let's move to our next operator, that is assignment operator. The assignment operator is simply used to assign the value in the variable. We have been using the assignment operator from the starting of this series. A is equals to 5. The equals to here is an assignment operator. The assignment operator assigns the value to the variable. This is the assignment operator. Also, what if I want to add 7 to this variable a? Then you can simply do it as a equals to a plus 5, or you can also write is a plus equals to 5. These two are equivalent to each other. Now if I let me remove this, and now let me print the value of a. Let me run this. So it is giving a 10. This is also a kind of an assignment operator. You can also subtract this. Let me say 2 from the 5, then this will also subtract the 2 from 5. You can also do it as multiply. This is equivalent to a is equals to a into 2. If I replace this by division operator, then it will be equivalent to a equals to a by 2. So these are some kind of assignment operator in Python. Now let's talk about another operator, that is comparison operator. The comparison operator is simply used to compare the two values. Let me say a is equals to 5, b is equals to 7. Now let me check if the a is smaller than b or not. So you can simply do this by this operator. This is the, sorry, not 5, b. So this will compare, a will be compared with b. Now let me first clear out the terminal and run this file. You will see it's true because the a is smaller than b. Okay, you can also check if a is greater than b. This is the greater operator. Now if I run this, then you will get the output as false. You can also write equals to here. This will check if the a is greater than or equals to b or not. Now let me run this. This will again print as false. Now this is greater than or equals to, and this is the smaller than or equals to operator. Now how to check if the two values are equal or not? To check if two values are equal or not, then you need to give double equals to. So let me run this. You will get false. If I make the b as 5, then this will return true. So as you can see, it is printing true as a and b has equal value, that is 5. So these are the some of the assignment operator. I think I have missed one, that is not equals to operator. How we can check if these two variables are not equal to each other? You can simply use this operator, that is exclamation equals to. This operator is known as not equals to operator. This will check if these two variables are not equal. Okay, so let me run this. It will return false because a and b are not equal. If I give it as 7, now let me run this, then it will return it as true. So these are some of the comparison operators in Python. Now let's talk about the logical operator. So the logical operator are used to perform some of the logical operation like and, or, not. If you have studied the different gates like AND gate, NOT gate, OR gate, then you can perform that gate operation in Python also. So let me say a is a value true, then b is also a value false. B is of value, let me say false. Now let me print the AND operation between a and b. So to perform the AND operation between two variables, you can simply write AND. This will perform the AND operation. Now let me print this. It is printing the value false because true into false, true and false is false. If you remember the truth table of the AND gate. Now if this is true, then true and true will give true, right? Let me first clear up this terminal. Now run this file. It gives true because the true and true is true. So now this is the AND operator. If you want to perform the OR operation, then you can simply do it by using OR. So this will perform the OR operation in between these two variables. Let me run this. It is returning true because true or true is always true. Let me replace this by false. Then if I run this, then it will give true, right? Because the true or false is always true in OR operation. Now I can also perform the NOT operation. So NOT operation will simply revert the value. You can simply write NOT in front of the boolean variable not a. So the not a will invert the value of a. It is true here. Now it will be printed as false. If I run this, then you can see it is printing false, right? Now if I perform NOT operation in the b, then it will give true because b is false. The NOT operation of the b will be invert of this false, that is true, right? So these are some of the logical operators. Now let's talk about the identity operator. So the identity operator is used to check if some values are equal or not. Let me say if a is equals to 7 and b is also equals to 7. Now let me check if a and b are equal or not. This can be compared either by using this comparison operator, or simply you can also compare this by using the identity operator. You can say print a is b, right? So it will check if a is b or not. That means if a is equals to b. Now let me clear this out first. Now let me run this. Then it will print true because the a and b are equal here, right? So, and if you can also check if they are not equal by simply using is not operator. Okay, if you use this is not, then it will check if a is not equals to b. Now if I run this, then it will be returning false. Now if I change the b value to 77 and I run this file, then it is giving true because a and b are not equal, right? So these are the two identity operator, is and is not. The final operator is a membership operator. So the membership operator is this in. Okay, so this in is a membership operator. We will be talking about this membership operator once we reach to the list section of the Python. It will be covered in the later videos. I will be teaching you about the list in Python. Once we study the list, then we will be also covering this membership operator in that video. Okay, so this much for this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.